Okay, today I'm going to go over Mega Marketing Pro. I'm going to do a review, tell you what it's all about, and see what we can do with it. So it is designed to drive traffic, prospect, and bring all your traffic sources together in one place. So let's go over here and take a look at it. So here is the home page. It says start here. Welcome to Mega Marketing Pro. Welcome to our Live Good team. So this also has a Live Good section, which is brand new. If you're on Edward Keate's team who created this, or my team, Edward Keate is my sponsor. So you can get all the Live Good share codes and everything for that. But let's take a look at this. So step one is what you want to do is listen to this, the video, watch the video, and put your Live Good username in here, and then click save. Every time you enter a field, you want to click save. And then also there's a 7-day fast start training for Live Good, and they walks you through everything in Live Good and how to promote it. So there's another Live Good, and then down here you have landing pages that come with the system. You can implement those right into Leads Leap. So now then you go to the next step, and this is where you enter in all of your affiliate codes. And this here is brand new. This is for Click Engine, and that's down here also. So you can watch the video, it shows you how to set up all these things. But this is the most important part down here. Click Engine, if you're part of the Click Engine, you can put your affiliate code here. Wholesale premium traffic, put all your codes in here, whichever one you use or you sign up for. So you can just sign up for them, even if you don't use some of them. Some of them you can sign up for free, some of them are paid services. So you can put your affiliate link in here, and then once someone comes through this system, the Mega Marketing Pro, they can join under your link here. It says join. So any of these you can join under your sponsor. If you want, my link is down below, of course, in the description. You can check out Mega Marketing Pro. It's completely free. Only things that's going to cost is if you use some of these, such as this first one, the wholesale premium traffic. That has it's like a solo ads, which are very good actually. I'm only promoting the ones that I use and the ones that are good. Click Engine, that is Jeff Amon's traffic service. And I have one also. Joined Second Splash. I've joined. I haven't used that yet, but I have signed up for the affiliate code. Global Network, I have not joined that yet. Traffic Ad Bar, I heard that's pretty good though. And my lead gen is supposed to be pretty good too. But I haven't joined. So any of these that you're a member of already, you can put your affiliate link right in here and click save. Leads Leap, right here, that's mine, of course. And Udemy, I am a part of Udemy. I don't have my affiliate link in there though. And then Jazz Deep, he sells great solo ads. They're a little bit pricey, but he has really good, a really good email list. And so that's it. So once you save all that, then you go on to step number 3, and that's creating a funnel for this system here. And this is all set up in Leads Leap, of course. Here's my affiliate code here, and here are all the pages that you can use. So you just copy this share code here, punch it into your Leads Leap page builder, and it'll ask for the share code. Of course, I have plenty of tutorials on how to do that, and it's in my free affiliate marketing course as well. Shows you exactly how to set up all these pages, but it's really simple. And then you also get an email follow-up share code. Now the email follow-up share code in Leads Leap, you will need the pro version for that. You can use these pages for free in Leads Leap, but you cannot use an autoresponder sequence in Leads Leap for free. You have to have the pro member. And that is it. So, and then once you have this all set up, you can come in here and go back to your step 2. You can come back here and use all of your systems. So you can use the Click Engine, you can use your premium traffic If you want to go to your whole, get some solo ads right here. So these are all great for traffic. The click engine is $4.90 a month. You can get in there and the members click on it and they go through. It's similar to mine. And then you can sign up to any of these. You can click on any of these and then go over to the website, take a look at it, see if it's good, if it's a good fit for you, and then sign up and then put your affiliate link back in there. And then you can promote Mega Marketing Pro. So there's two ways you can make money with Mega Marketing Pro. You can promote it itself because it's a free system. You can promote that, and then once anybody signs up to your links in step number 2, then you can get affiliate paid that way. And then also you use these systems too, these traffic sources. All these traffic sources you use to drive traffic to your offers. I hope that makes sense. So it's a good system. It's free. It's easy to set up, and you can drive traffic. You can make some money off of it, and you have all of your traffic sources all in one spot. And also one more thing I wanted to go over here is the 7-day training. And this is, they also have banners in here that you can promote Mega Marketing Pro as well. But the 7-day training, which is on page number 1, of course, step number 1, that is for, that's for Live Good itself. So Live Good is right down here. You can also, if you're part of Live Good, you can go through the training. It tells you exactly everything about it right here. Fast action. And this is it, this Live Good training. It has all day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on day 5, you put your affiliate links in there and set up your pages. They have pages, and this tells everything. It walks you step by step through the whole Live Good system. So that's a nice added bonus there. Also on step number 2, I wanted to go over the programs here. So you have traffic, and then you have programs, private access programs. And you click on that. And this is these are exclusive programs. If you're already a member of these programs, please just add your user ID, same as the other step over there. If not, then you can get on there. Here's the Live Good, Mint Builder, Elevate Pass, I don't know what that one is, My Daily Choice. So it's the same thing. You can click on here and go check it out. If you click on it, it'll take you to the website. Here's the Live Good system. And you watch the video, and then you can add your links to it. Just another area that you can add programs and affiliate programs to. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. And also check out the brand new free affiliate marketing course in the description.